Hey everybody, Steve Chase here. We're going to do a quick trick on how to sort by color in an Excel list here. So I'm going to first just highlight a few rows here and make them a certain color that I want to emphasize later and have these items that appear green at the top of the list here. Okay, so step one, we formatted the font, the fill color. Okay, step two, what we're going to do now is we're going to get those items listed at the top of the list here. So we've got a couple of options. One option is we can right click and do sort, put selected cell color on top. Notice the other option is put selected font color at top. And the last one is put selected formatting icon on top. So I'm going to share with you, we want to do this one here, put selected cell color on top. Beautiful. That's awesome there. I'm gonna hit undo and show you another way we could have done it. Let's assume that we had on our data tab, we had filters put in place. You can see these here. So if that was the case, I could go to the class and I could do sort by color, and it's gonna give me all the different colors of option. That's really handy too as well. There we go. You might have noticed that there's an option for filter by color as well. So if we wanted to filter by color, that's exactly it right there. Until we're filtered by 1, 2, 3, 4, and then kind of jumps out there. All right, thanks for watching.